been going back and forth on this for quite a while now. Actually, ever since I upgraded the shift knobs in my FJ to the polished aluminum. Just got this today. It wasn't cheap, but on the other hand, you only get what you pay for. It's nice and thin. It has some two-way tape and stuff that's in there. And this is basically going to go in a pretty neat place inside the FJ. So you see it's built pretty well. Has some two-way tape, some 3M stuff inside. So I'm going to have to prep the surface of the handle this goes on. So from the last video, you see I have the aluminum panel here, the shift knobs, and then the big old emergency brake handle. So this is basically going to go on here. I just need to take off that two-way tape stuff. Prep this surface here, get a nice car cleaner all the way down to here, and then take some rubbing alcohol on this portion here, because that's where that two-way tape is going to basically set up, and it's going to sit on there. So let's get this prepped and get it installed. I like to use a high quality like this Gryus Garage Interior Cleaner, just some sort of automotive cleaner, not Fantastic or 409. And then for alcohol, again, the 91% isopropyl alcohol does a good job. And that way you've cleaned it off, but you're not harming the materials at all. Take your time with a razor knife and a nice pair of tweezers or a really sharp needle nose to get the outside protective covering off these strips. And then it should just basically slide right on. So just take your time with it, work it on. This boot here is split in two. There's actually a seam down in here. Make sure that's together and up inside. Then those pieces of tape that are in there, the two-way tape, that'll set up over a few hours and basically stick. Ain't to worry about it. So now, there we have it. I kind of like that a lot better. It's nice having something shiny in here. I was noticing on some of the new FJs that are overseas, 2022s and 2023s, this portion here is all silver, which is kind of nice. But my 07, being years later, doesn't have that, so I'm pretty good with the way this one looks right now. So that's it. Got some shiny bits in here to break up that sea of gray plastic. And again, this isn't cheap. I think this was about $28 on Amazon, but free shipping, a little bit of tax, it wasn't too bad. And now I kind of like the way it looks. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. I'll get this one on YouTube as another personalization video for the FJ.